Okay, so let's have a look at April for Delaney 2017. So he purchased goods on credit for 14,760. So if we purchase on credit, that means our creditors are going to increase by 14,760 because that's how much we owe them. This includes VAT of 23%. So now we have to find out how much is the VAT amount and how much is the stock. So you're going to be crediting your creditors of 14,760. Then you're going to be debiting your stock account and you're going to be debiting your VAT. Now when we purchase something, we can claim that VAT back. So this is going to decrease the amount that we're paying in VAT. So 14,760 is going to go into your creditors. So in our creditors, we will have 14,760. Is that what it was? 14,760. So that's going to be 23%. So if we go to our VAT, sorry, that 14,760 is equal to 123%. So what we need to do, we need to find out how much of that is our stock. So if we go down here, so 123% is equal to 14,760. 1% is equal to 120. So 100%, so our stock is going to be equal to 12,000. So if we go to our 12,000 stock, it's going to increase then by 12,000. And the difference between the two then, that's going to be your VAT. Now remember, this is VAT on purchases. So we're going to reduce the amount of VAT that we have to pay because we can claim back this VAT. So it's going to be 2,760. So we got 12,000 for our assets, and then the difference between the two here should be 12,000. So you know that's correct. So the double entry for that, just for yourself, you're going to have your creditors, your VAT, and your stock. Creditors is a liability, so to increase your creditors, it goes on the credit side. So that's why it's 14,760 on the creditor side. We calculate our stock to be 12,000, so our stock is going to increase. Remember, stock's an asset. To increase an asset, it goes on the debit side. And our VAT then, so this is a liability, so our VAT's going to decrease. So to decrease a liability, you stick it on the debit side. Also, debits and credits have to equal. So if you have 12,000 on this side, and we have 14,760 on the credit side, 2,760 must go on the debit side in your VAT account. So remember, if you have purchases, it's going to decrease the amount of VAT that we have to pay. So that's why down here it's a minus 2,760. So you've got 12,000 and 12,000. And that's how you answer April for Delaney 2017.